Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we are going to talk about the seventh course in the Google Data Analytics certification, that is data analysis with R programming, and we are going to discuss about weekly challenge 1. So I'll proceed with the answers now. So the first question is fill in the blanks, where blanks are words and symbols you use to write instructions for computers. So it is a programming language through which we instruct the computer. So programming language is something that consists of some characters and predefined identifiers and syntax, and through which the computer is programmed to understand the user interface or user inputs. Second, many data analysts prefers to use programming language for which of the following reasons. Select all that apply. So to easily reproduce and share an analysis. So, a programming language is an easy way to share your insights or analysis the process, how you're doing, what you're doing. Second, to clarify the step of analysis, as I said, how you're doing and what you're doing, the steps and the processes, what you're following, those all can be clarified here. To save time. So, programming language saves have predefined libraries through which we can use and use it according to our requirement, and we can produce the output as required. Third is what is the term for programming code that is freely available and may be modified and shared by people who use it. So we have open source programming codes that are freely available. You can use it and modify it according to your requirement, and it is available in many languages. It is not supposed to stick with our language itself. We can have open source libraries and codes for Python as well. SQL also. They can have dim date kind of a structure where we can have a structured way of dates. So those are the open source things that you can use from internet depending on the requirement that you have. Fourth one, the benefits of using underscore for data analysis includes the ability to quickly process lots of data and create a high quality visualization. The R programming language is the correct option because R is like is a statistical tool which most statisticians use, and it is good for analytical approach. I think if you have a good command with in R language, I would suggest you to proceed with R rather than Python. But still, Python is in high demand right now, so it's a good choice also. Fifth one is a data analyst needs to quickly create a series of scatter plot to visualize a very large data set. What should they use for the analysis? As I said that for a statistical task, we can use R programming language. It is quite easy to use, and it can work with a huge number of data set also. A huge amount of data it can easily handle. So these are the benefits of our language over other programming languages. Sixth question is, are Studio's integrated development environment includes which of the following? So first one, it includes an editor for writing code. Second one, an area to manage loaded data. And third one is wrong. Select fourth one, that is a console for executing commands. So these are the things like we have R Studio, like R is a command based interface where we can write our code and execute it to get the output. R Studio, on the other hand, we can have the GUI interface a little bit. It is quite easy to use. You don't have to have the complete deep knowledge of all the console commands and all. You can have file location, you can have output, you can have command pane where you can install some packages and all. So those are the things available in R Studio. It is like R with an easy approach. So we have R Studio. Second one, a data analyst writes a code summary penguins in order to show a summary of the penguin dataset. Where in R Studio can the analyst execute the code? So they we have source editor pane and we have RStudio pane, console pane. As I said, that command window where we can install new packages. Though there also we can execute this, and in source editor also where we write the code also. There also we can use it. So it is easily available in both of the places, and it will be execute. It will execute perfectly with that. Eighth one, which I got wrong, is a data analyst is working with spreadsheet data. The analyst imports the data from the spreadsheet into RStudio. Where in RStudio can the analyst find the imported data? So I have selected source editor pane. That is wrong. The correct answer will be environment pane. So you can select environment pane and you will get the correct marks, complete marks for that. So yeah, that will be all for the week one challenge. And I hope that you have liked the video. And please do subscribe to the channel. I'll upload many more videos like this in future. And thank you everyone.